Bitcoin is seeing unprecedented institutional interest for the first time in history. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto News for May 10th, 2018. Hey guys, welcome back to 4-Minute Crypto for your daily dose of crypto news. And don't forget to subscribe and get your daily crypto news updates at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe. Now today's show is from a post by Ricardo Estevez at newsbtc.com. Bitcoin has been gaining trust from users and investors for a while. Technology enthusiasts and libertarians were soon followed by entrepreneurs and retail investors that had a fear of missing out, also known as FOMO. Now, for a long time, Bitcoin was seen as a joke to most institutional investors, but the sentiment seems to be shifting. Bitcoin's record high prices in December of 2017 were around $20,000, and that price was driven by the listing of Bitcoin futures on the CME Group and the CBOE Global Markets. That was the first notable move signaling institutional interest in the cryptocurrency market. Now, LedgerX was the first CFTC-registered swap exchange facility and derivatives clearing organization specializing in the custody and trading of cryptocurrency derivatives. That was a mouthful. Now, the company initiated its long-term Bitcoin futures options in November of 2017, pegging the price at $10,000 with an expiration date set at December 28, 2018. The management team at LedgerX is composed by Goldman Sachs, MIT, and CFTC alumni who have been taking the pulse of the large companies within the financial industry since the beginning. Now, Paul Chal, CEO at LedgerX and former trader at Quantitative Cash Trading Desk within the securities division of Global Sachs, has witnessed a shift in perspective from institutional money. Reports the New York Times, the industry is seeing unprecedented institutional interest for the first time in Bitcoin history. I've been amazed that the strongest believers in crypto often start out as the most skeptical. It's a healthy skepticism, but at some point, the perception shifts. Now, the comment comes a few days after Warren Buffett claimed Bitcoin is worse than rat poison squared. His 94-year-old sidekick, Charlie Munger, doubled down on the comment by calling it a turd. Now, ironically, Buffett admitted his ignorance regarding cryptocurrency. Buffett said, "I get into enough trouble with the things I think I know something about. Why in the world would I take a long or short position on something I don't know anything about?" Now, Jamie Dimon, CEO and the chair of the financial giant JP Morgan Chase, has called Bitcoin a fraud and stupid. Nobel Prize-winning economist Robert Shiller has called it a fad and compared it to a Ponzi scheme. These opinions, however, are getting less popular over time. Now, as institutional money goes into the cryptocurrency market, Warren Buffett and company will eventually find themselves alone or will join the disruption of the banking industry. Analysts believe that institutional interest is the key to trigger Bitcoin adoption as a store of value and as a mean of exchange that will most likely send the price of Bitcoin past $20,000. Wow, $20,000 is really sounding good to me, especially today. How's it sound to you? This episode of 4-Minute Crypto was brought to you by BitBlock Boom. Take a look at this great new crypto conference scheduled for this summer in Dallas, Texas at bitblockboom.com. I'm Gary Leland, and thanks for tuning in. This is a CryptoCousins.com production.